Hey, welcome to Popalong RC. I'm Mark.
And I am Carl, and
What is this? We've been sent a box, have we?
we have been sent a box.
I like the look of that.
Quite a big box.
It's a substantially large box. What's in it?
I don't know, but it's kind of in the way.
Mm.
Should we have a look?
Yeah. So before we open the box, who sent it to us?
Well, this box actually has been sent to us by Rochester RC.
That's very kind of them.
It is very kind. So you may remember, if you've seen our previous videos, that we mentioned that Rochester RC wanted to support our racing and support the channel. And in order to support our racing, they said, we'll send you a few bits over. We've got a few bits.
Should we delve in and have a little look, see what we've got?
I think we should.
All right then.
All right. Now,
It's full up.
That
It's
is
full up.
that is insane.
It's full up. What's this? What have we got here? First, let me just delve down.
It's like a lucky dip.
Hold on. I've got something here. It's blue. It's anodised blue.
We like
It's
anodised blue.
Yeah, racing. Nice. Some setup gauges there. Some ride height gauges and droop gauges.
Now, I had a set of these in green. I've not seen them for ages. I don't know where they are.
Yeah, I've got them.
I'll keep these ones then.
Alright, what else have we got here? Camber gauge. These are quite nice, these ones. I've actually got one of these as well, so there you go.
It's a good day for me.
So a couple of little setup bits and pieces there.
Yep, and I will be racing in the MTC Nationals this year. These are going to come in really handy. The reason you've got my ones is because you've been spending quite a lot of time racing your touring car.
Yeah, I have. I've been enjoying that. Anyway, what else we got in here? Let me see. Hang on, what's this here?
Ooh.
Oh. Ah. Well, we know what that is.
That is a setup board.
Yeah, anyone who knows anything about racing, you need, if you're going to do some setups on your car, you've got to put it somewhere which is completely flat. This setup board is actually a very nice setup board, the Core RC one.
A very flat Core RC setup board to use your setup gauges. This is getting interesting, boss.
Getting
Can I have a
interesting.
go?
Yeah, go on.
We have got... Oh wow, we've got some oil.
Shock oils.
Shock oils, so this is a 400 weight. You've got a full set of oils at home, haven't you?
Full set of oils, yeah.
Full set?
Yeah.
I'll keep this one then, shall I?
Yeah, hang on.
Alright then.
500 weight.
I've got 500 weight. Have you got 500 weight?
200 weight.
200 weight. I've got 200 weight.
600 weight.
600 weight. That's the 600 weight.
300 weight.
300 weight. Oh, got to find a little space for it. Let's stick it in there.
What I do like,
300 weight.
I like the old stickers. The old Rochester RC stickers are always quite good.
I'll tell you what, I've already got a load of stickers, so you can have those.
Oh, okay. Hang on.
That's the main event.
We got there's a main thing in here.
That is next level main
That's
thing.
next level main thing.
I wasn't expecting that.
Shall I give everybody a clue? Okay,
Go on then.
A clue. It says TLR on it.
Ooh. Can I give you another clue?
Go on.
Now, I have got,
Yeah.
I'm going to say, probably one of my favourite YouTubers. And they're based in the US. And they are named Ryan Harris.
Ryan Harris. These guys will know who Ryan Harris is.
I like his stuff. I like his stuff. And
go check out his channel as well. He's got some new videos.
I think we're going to have to visit some of his videos because I know for a fact I've seen one of these.
Here it is.
Go on then. Ooh.
Look at that. It's another buggy.
That is unbelievable.
That is a nice kit, isn't it, eh? That is a nice kit.
I'm almost lost for words. That is...
I'm lost for words. We've never built a lossy... Actually, no, I did a nitro lossy, didn't I?
You did, didn't you? That was just like a rebuild, wasn't it?
That was a rebuild, yeah, but it wasn't one of the two-wheel drive buggies, so this is going to be...
Amazing.
This is going to be amazing,
now,
isn't it?
I've had a little thought, boss. Now,
What's your thought?
if you're a follower of the channel, you will know that Mark raced at an international buggy meet at Milton Keynes, which means You've already got a buggy.
Well, I've got a buggy, yeah. Thing is, you can't drive very well.
I'm going to practice. I'll tell you what.
Yeah, go on.
I think I'm quite a lucky man because I've done quite well out of this.
Yeah, you've done well. I've got stickers, you've got all this lot. What's going on?
I think that is a pretty fair deal.
How is that a fair deal?
Because you got the last one and you got to race at that big competition.
Yeah, very true.
And I've been sitting on the sidelines, racing ready to run cars, and second hand.
Like I say, I'm the elite. I'm the elite of the duo. You know, that's just the way it always has been, and it probably always will be that way. But I'll tell you what I'll do.
Because you've got all the kit.
I'll tell you what I'll do. You can have that one.
Thank you.
How about that?
I think I'm going to look forward to this, and we can actually go out and do some proper racing. But I know it's mine, but I like to share things. So, do you want to build it for me?
Well, you know me, I like building stuff, so I
build.
will take this and I will build it and I'll set it up and then I'll watch you race it. How about that?
That sounds perfect.
There you go.
So there we go. This car. What is this car anyway? Should we actually delve in a little bit deeper?
I suppose we should.
I suppose we should because I'm going to rip off the film. Got to love this. Okay, so this is the TLR 22 DC 5.0 Elite. Now
Is this the recent one, is it?
Well, it's like the top one. Now, I did a little bit of research just between edits there to see what this DC stands for. And it stands for Dirt and Clay.
Ah, another American brand then.
Because Lossy is an American brand. Now, this isn't the first Lossy we've had on the channel because I've got an old one up there, which is the XX or XXXCR or something like that. Anyway, oh, mate, it looks so nice. I'll tell you what, it's even sealed. I want to break the seal.
In memory of Brian Kinwold, it says on it. He was a legend back in the RC game, long time ago. He's no longer with us, unfortunately, but he was one of the main men in racing back in the day. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because you're older than me.
Yeah, I am a bit. More experienced, I'd like to say.
Yeah. Wow, that is stacked. Do you know what? It's a nice little shell there. Very nice. Let's get the plastic bits out of the way, shall we? There we go.
They're already cut out as well, aren't they?
They're already cut, yeah.
Oh, that's so good. I love it when they
that
do
is made really easy. And do you know what? It's all bagged up. It's all bagged up into separate bags, which is going to make the build a lot nicer. So let's have a proper look at what we get in the box. So we have got everything out of this box. What are you doing, boss?
Looking at all the stuff.
Shooting, you've got a camera there.
I know, but I'm looking at all this stuff. Like that. Bags. Bags and bags of stuff.
There's lots of bags of stuff.
Yeah. It's just a nice... Look at that. You'd never get it cut like that yourself, would you?
No, you wouldn't.
No.
I would.
No, you wouldn't. You're a bodger. You're the ultimate bodger, you are. You are. You rush everything.
Right, Team Lossy Racing sticker. Nice. What's this? Window masks. Mustn't lose those. In fact, I want to keep the sticker, the window masks and that stuff over this side because I'll spray that up and I'll make it look nice. Everything else though, I think is going to be your job. So, is that the diff there?
Excuse me. It's got a ball diff in that, which is yeah, that's nice. Nice and easy to tighten up and loosen. I like ball diffs.
Yeah.
So we used to race with, back in the day.
Back in the day.
Gear diffs these.
So yeah, I've got a gear diff in the Atom 3, which in order to change it, you have to change all the oil and stuff in it to thicken up the oil. So yeah, they're quite easy to change. Lovely sticker sheet there. So nice. I'll keep hold of that. I'll make that look pretty. What else we got? Do you know what? It's a nice
manual.
That is a nice manual. They know what they're doing. Oh, you're right. Look at that ball diff. It's been a nice build. So
Yeah.
you've got in there, it says here we've got lots of different pieces you can put in to change the setup and the toe and all sorts. This is going to be a fun little project because as we've learned with your buggy, just because you've got the best buggy doesn't mean you're guaranteed to get it round. It's taken you how long to get your car dialed in, as it were?
What, 7 months?
Is it
6
that long?
months.
March.
I built it at Christmas time. 6 months. January, February, March, April, May, June. Oh, okay, 5. January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, 6 months.
6 months to get your car dialed in. So I'm not expecting to be competing with you immediately, but I'll be hot on your heels before too long, no doubt. Looking forward to this project.
Absolutely, absolutely. So there you go. So a massive, huge thanks to Rochester RC. What a bunch of legends you are. So listen, I suppose I've got to put this all in the box and take it to the workshop and get this thing built. I will do a build video on this.
Definitely.
Yeah.
We'll do setup videos on this. We'll take it racing. This couldn't have turned up at a better time, really, because the sun has just started shining. We've been out for our first proper bashy session of the summer. Hopefully, we're going to head outdoors and we're going to hit some of the outdoor buggy clubs here in the UK, and we've got at least 3 penciled in the local area. So
yeah, very much looking forward to that, because the last time I raced buggies outside was probably when I was about 12 years old, so it was a long time ago.
that's a few years ago.
Yeah, looking forward to that. But there you go. So hey, you know what? We've got a few things to get on with, and it's going to keep us busy, isn't it, for the next
Definitely.
few months or whatever. Right, let's get this packed away then. Anyway, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, smash the old ding dong bell. Look out for this build video. There you go. Don't forget that.
Thank you. Ooh,
And
it's a heavy bit, that.
Yeah, it is heavy. Yeah, and we'll see you trackside. You never know. Soon.